Welcome to the tutorial on how to design spreads for a coffee table album. My name is Natalie and I will be guiding you through this video. To design spreads using our ROES PRO application, browse Products, Catalog, Book Design, and choose the size of the album you want to order. For this demonstration, I will choose the 12 by 12 album. If you don't want to use these pre-designed templates, I'll show you how to create your own boxes. If you haven't already, I highly recommend you check out our introduction to our design tools. So load in your backgrounds and your images that you want to use for this album. So on the spread are some guidelines. You have the ones on the top, sides, and bottom, and the crease down the center. These are just visuals for your convenience so that you know where we could possibly cut the image and where the book is actually going to crease. So my recommendation is to keep any valuable parts away from these red lines. But please send your images all the way to the edge, flush to the edge. Don't make a border, because it could get cropped uneven. Choose your background image, or you can also fill it here with a color. You choose Tools, Fill. You can fill the background with a color. I'm going to choose to use a background image. Create a layer by using the Draw tool to create the layer. What I'm doing here is I'm just manipulating the X and Y coordinates to be perfect, and then I am creating a 14 by 12 layer. Drag and drop in your image. You can use a mask to soften the edges or create a floppy border. If you want, use the Draw tool to create more layers. I'm gonna select this grid. I love to use the grid. I'm gonna use the spacing 0.25 because that's a normal cut marking. I'm gonna choose for it to snap to grid and do it like this so that my boxes are very symmetrical and perfect. I'm going to create a border by clicking Stroke, and a shadow by checking Shadow and playing with the blur and the opacity. I want to add a quote to this spread, so I'm going to use the Draw Text tool to create a text box here. Enter in my quote and changing the font. This application actually pulls the fonts that you have in your computer, so if you have a special font that you love to use, no worries because it'll be here for you. I can change the text color here. I'm going to sample a green from her flowers. And when you're ready with the spread, you're happy with what you made, you add to order. Go ahead and make another spread. I'm going to use the Layer Down tool to send this one to the back, and use a mask to create a nice effect here on the bottom and top. I'll also use a mask for this layer to create a soft right edge, and this one to create a soft left edge. When you're ready, add to order. View cart, and these are the two spreads that I designed with you. Please do this at least 8 more times. You want to have a minimum of 10 spreads for your album. Thanks for watching. We hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or get in touch with us. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We encourage you to watch our other videos on our ROES PRO app, especially on how to order a coffee table album and how to order cover upgrades for your album. Everyone here at Photo Pro, have a great day.